Hello guys, welcome in my channel. Today my topic is how to speak English. Listen guys, everyone is struggle with this word. How they speak in English so fluent. So what is the reason you are not speaking English and where you lacking too much? So you know first of all where you lacking. You give your time. You see yourself definitely you have been doing throughout the years. You you saw a lot of video and you can't speak English and you're still suffering. You can't speak English. If I'm talking about myself, uh, 6 months or 1 year ago, I have lacking so many places. I don't understand because I took a lot of coaching and I also try. I also use a lot of apps. Okay, you know that in a phone app, there are a lot of I participate a lot of places I subscribe, but I can't speak so fluently. And where I was fault, where I was facing a problem, I don't understand, and no one tell me. So that time I was realized problem is that I'm not speaking. When you just listen others word and you are not speaking, you're not speak anything. You can't speak English. Main problem is that if you learn something, listen. One thing you can do that you stand in front of the mirror and start speaking. You see your image, and when you face any problem, when you hesitate or when you don't understand any word, because a lot of time you see some word is not coming in your mind so quickly. So don't worry about it. You see your mother tongue, that particular thing, and again you start your conversation in English. So it's give a boost to you, and it is a very good thing if you believe on me and faith on me, because I'm always try to tell truth. And you see a lot of guys, you come and see this, just you know that in YouTube, you they in his video there is subtitle or something there written. You see this video and you speak fluently. So it is not truth. You give a time. You have to do a practice for yourself. If you can't practice, you cannot speak so well. And communication is not a one-day process. It is a minimum. If you give yourself 3 months and continuously walking and continue practicing, you see the change in yourself. First of all, you sit quietly. First of all, sit quietly and think about it. Where you lacking? What is the problem? What is the fear? You fear about it. If anything, if you speak anything wrong, and someone tell you or they give a bad comment to you. So if you think about it, so first of all you know about what is the problem you have, and don't think about others. You just start speaking. When you speaking regularly and when you continuously speak and practicing every day, you see the change in yourself, and when the changes come in yourself, you get a confidence. So today I stop my video in this in here, and please comment me where is the problem. If you lacking somewhere, if you scared something, or you have a good grammar, something like that. What is your problem? You don't know. I mean to say, you know that very well. First you know about your problem and tell and comment me. So I will definitely make your video and be practice. Don't listen others, because your mouth is not familiar. Your ear is familiar because you understand everything, but you can't speak. Why? Because your mouth is not familiar. So please, if you like my video, comment and subscribe, and please comment me, so I make this video and I help you definitely. Okay, thank you, and goodbye.